In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and start using Gemini for Google Workspace in your organization. We'll go through the full process from the Google admin console all the way to opening Gemini inside everyday tools like Google Docs and Gmail. This is a straightforward setup, but it helps to follow the order carefully so everything is available to the right people once the license has been added. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to your Google Admin Console dashboard. Make sure you're signed in with an administrator account, since billing and license management won't be available to standard users. Once you're on the dashboard, this is where you'll manage both the purchase path and the user access for the Gemini add-on. From the Admin Console, open the main menu, then go to Billing. Inside Billing, choose Get More Services and then select Google Workspace extensions. This section is where Google lists optional add-ons and enhancements that can be attached to your existing workspace environment. Take a moment here to confirm that you're selecting the correct area, since that will ensure you're looking at the available extension licenses rather than your general subscription settings. Next, choose the Gemini for Google Workspace add-on license tier that fits your needs. Depending on your organization, you may see different licensing options, so it's important to select the one that matches the level of access and features you intend to provide. This is the stage where the Gemini service is added to your workspace environment, making it available for assignment after purchase. Once the Gemini licenses have been purchased, the next step is to assign those seats to your team members. Go ahead and allocate the available licenses to the individual users who should have access. This part matters because buying the add-on alone does not automatically enable it for everyone. Each intended user needs a license seat assigned to their account before they can begin using Gemini in Workspace apps. After the licenses have been assigned, your users can start accessing Gemini directly inside supported Google apps. Open Google Docs or Gmail and look for the Gemini Prompt Helper panel. This is the interface that allows users to interact with Gemini while they work, helping with writing, drafting, summarizing, and other